Good morning, students. Now, let me continue with the preparation of alcohols. In the last class, already we have seen preparation of alcohols from alkanes. That is, by the acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes into alcohols with its mechanism. Very important thing, mechanism of acid catalyzed hydration of ethene into ethanol. Is it right? And thereafter the second one, hydroboration oxidation, that is addition of this borane to alkene to form trialkyl borane, which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in the presence of sodium hydroxide, aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, gives alcohol. And this addition reaction takes place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule, and therefore by the addition of borane to propene we are going to end with propane 1-ol as the product. Is it clear? Now second one is from the carbonyl compounds. From the carbonyl compounds. From carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. Here, carbonyl compounds means we are coming across aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, etc. Is it right? Now, aldehydes and ketones on catalytic hydrogenation will give the alcohol. Aldehydes are converted into primary alcohols, whereas ketones are converted into secondary alcohols. Is it right? So you may call this reaction as a reduction reaction. Reduction of aldehyde gives primary alcohol, whereas reduction of secondary alcohol gives ketone gives secondary alcohol. See, aldehydes or ketones on catalytic hydrogenation in the presence of finely divided nickel or platinum or palladium as a catalyst or using the reducing agents like lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 or sodium borohydride, that is NaBH4, or NaBH4, sodium borohydride, give primary alcohols and secondary alcohols respectively. Means primary alcohols are obtained from the aldehydes and secondary alcohols are obtained from the ketones. Is it right? See, you may write the reaction RCHO aldehyde hydrogenation, reaction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium as catalyst. So heat it. So what you are going to get? RCH2OH, primary alcohol. So you may take the example, that is CS3CHO, that is ethanol or acetaldehyde. Hydrogenation, reaction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium as catalyst. You are going to get CS3CH2OH, that is ethanol, ethyl alcohol. So in the same way, suppose if you take R C double bond O R dash, that is ketone plus hydrogenation, reaction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. So what you are going to get? RCHOH R dash, that is secondary alcohol. Ketones are reduced to secondary alcohols. See here, you may take the particular example CS3 C double bond O CS3. Here I have taken symmetrical ketone. It right? So that is propanone. See, hydrogenation in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. So what we are going to get? We are going to get CS3CHOH CS3. Yes. Is it right? And this is propane to all isopropyl alcohol. We are going to get, that is a secondary alcohol. See, suppose if you want to write reaction using reducing agents, I will give one example. RCHO plus two nascent hydrogen atoms using reducing agents. So far what we have seen, they are catalytic hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation in the presence of catalyst. Whereas using reducing agents, either you may make use of lithium aluminum hydride, or you may make use of sodium borohydride. See what we are going to get? LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, is used as reducing agent. What you are going to get? You are going to get RCH2OH. Is it clear? So aldehyde is reduced. Aldehyde is reduced to primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. In the same way, you may take R, C double bond O, R dash, that is ketone, plus reduction using reducing agent. Reduction using reducing agent. Here let us write sodium borohydride, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. So what you are going to get? RCHOH, then R dash, So what it is? It is secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Is it right? Now, coming to by the reduction of carboxylic acids. By the reduction of carboxylic acids. See, carboxylic acids are also reduced to alcohols. Primary alcohols we are going to get. But this lithium aluminum hydride is a costly reducing agent. So therefore it is used only for the preparation of special chemicals. So therefore instead of directly using lithium aluminum hydride, carboxylic acid is first converted into ester by the reaction with alcohol. This ester formed on reduction, hydrogenation, what we are going to get? We get alcohol. See, first let me write the reaction using reducing agent. By the reduction of carboxylic acid. See, carboxylic acid RCOOH. Carboxylic acid. See, this first reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. See, what you are going to get? We used to get RCH2OH, primary alcohol. Right? But lithium aluminum hydride is a costly reagent. Hence, it is used only for special reactions only for special reactions or for the production of special reagents. Is it right? So therefore carboxylic acid is first converted into ester which are reduction gives alcohol. Gives alcohol. Is it right? See, you may write the reaction. RCOOH here, R-OH in the presence of acid as catalyst. In the presence of acid as catalyst. And this reaction we call it as esterification reaction. What is esterification? Means formation of ester by the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Is it right? See, or you may say reaction of alcohol and carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give ester is called as esterification. Right? So what you are going to get here? RCOR dash. That is the ester. This is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. And this one is ester. This ester on hydrogenation. This ester on hydrogenation in the presence of catalyst. See, what you use to get? You are going to get RCH2OH plus R dash OH. See, here whatever the alcohol used, that is again regenerated. And what happened? This carboxylic acid is converted into alcohol. So, in alcohol. Primary alcohol. Is it right? Now, coming to using Grignard reagent. See, while discussing haloalkanes and haloarenes, in case of haloalkanes, I have told about Grignard reagent. Grignard reagents are very important synthetic reagents. They are used in the production of any kind of organic compound. Any kind of organic compound. Any class of organic compound can be prepared using Grignard reagent. So therefore here also let us get alcohols by using Grignard reagent. Right? See, third one is from GR means Grignard reagent. See, here we are going to get primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, as well as tertiary alcohols. How you are going to get primary alcohol? Grignard reagent when reacts with formaldehyde, first member of the aldehyde, that is HCHO, formaldehyde, or we call it as methanol. IUPAC name is methanol. We are going to get an intermediate addition product. Which on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, gives, that is primary alcohol. Is it right? See, HCHO plus Grignard reagent RMGX. Is it right? See, here it is methanol, or we call it as formaldehyde. O here H, then MgX. See how the addition has taken place. Let us see. H is a carbon, hydrogen, double bond O, HCHO, formaldehyde. RMgX. Right? See, ಎಲ್ಲಿ electronegativity difference ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನಡು ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ electronegativity ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ electronegativity ಹೆಚ್ಚೈತಿ. So therefore this oxygen will have partial negative charge, carbon atom will have partial positive charge. RMgX ಅಂದ್ರೆ R ಏನಿದೆ alkyl group. See, take for example CH3. This itself is R. ಇದು R. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇದೆ. R alkyl group ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಐಟಮ್. ಅದು ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತರ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಥೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಪ್ರೊಪೈಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇರಲಿ, whatever it may be. It is attached to magnesium. Here magnesium. So when you compare the electronegativity of this carbon atom and magnesium, carbon atom is electronegative whereas magnesium is electropositive. Is it right? So idranaga partial positive charge iruತ್ತದೆ, idranaga partial negative charge. Okay, we say that when you compare the electronegativity, carbon is more electronegative, magnesium is less electronegative, or you may say it is electropositive metal. Magnesium is metal. So here ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ negative part, this R will get attached to carbon atom, positively charged carbon atom. ಆಮೇಲೆ this magnesium will get attached to negatively charged oxygen atom. So same thing we have written here. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದೆ. ಇದೇನಿದು addition product. ಈ addition product ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ now you have to substitute for acid hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the presence of acid. Hydrolysis is the presence of acid. So what you use to get here are CH2OH plus MgXOH. So this breaking up of the bond takes place like this one, and water will be added in this fashion. So from methanol, what we have got? We have got primary alcohol. We have got primary alcohol. Is it right? If you want to take a particular example, here this remains same. HCHO plus CS3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. First one, addition product, methanol, methyl magnesium bromide. Is it right? So addition product, first let me write CS3, then CH2. ಇದೇ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ CH2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ CH2, then OMgBr. Now hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H plus. So what you use to get here? Addition of water takes place in this fashion, HOH. And what you are going to get? CS3, CH2OH plus MgBrOH. And what it is? It is ethanol, primary alcohol. You may get propanol. Suppose if you make use of every CS3, CH2, MgBr, instead of using ethyl magnesium bromide, if you make use of ethyl magnesium bromide, methyl but ethyl use. So you can increase the number of carbon atoms also. Is it right? Now, suppose if you make use of aldehyde other than formaldehyde, aldehyde other than formaldehyde, formaldehyde ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ aldehyde ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ aldehyde ಯಾವುದು formaldehyde ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ aldehyde ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are going to get a secondary alcohol. See here. CHO plus R dash MgBr. RCHO, it is aldehyde other than formaldehyde. R dash MgBr. So addition product, same thing. Addition product. R C R dash O MgBr. Here you may type X instead of using a particular halogen X and favorite. RMgX. Here also let me write RMgX. RMgX. General again. See now hydrolysis. That is H2O in the presence of H plus. H2O in the presence of H plus. So what you are going to get? We used to get R CH OH R dash plus Mg X OH. Once again same thing. We ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ H ಬರೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ OH ಬರೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? See what you are going to get? You are going to get here ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು H ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ H ಒಂದು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? See ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CHO ಈ R ಮೊದಲ ಐತಿ ಈ R dash R ಬಂದು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು H ಮೊದಲ ಐತಿ CH. ಆಯ್ತಾ? See ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು this aldehyde other than formaldehyde. What you are going to get? We used to get secondary alcohol. We used to get secondary alcohol. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ CHO that is acetaldehyde other than formaldehyde plus CS3 MgBr methyl magnesium bromide methyl magnesium bromide. Is it right? See first let me write addition product ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ here CS3 CH CS3 then O MgBr. Is it right? Then hydrolysis H OH hydrolysis acid hydrolysis H2O in the presence of H plus. So what you are going to get here CS3 CH OH CS3 plus MgBr OH. MgBr OH. See this one is propane toluol or isopropyl alcohol. Is it right? Last one. That is if you make use of ketone, we are going to get tertiary alcohol. See if you make use of ketone, you are going to get tertiary alcohol. See ketone ಯಾವುದು R C R dash MgX. So here let me write for the differentiation of R dash, R double dash. Ella same irbodu. R may be equal to R dash may be equal to R double dash. Right? See, this is ketone. This is Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide. See, first addition product. So what you are going to get here? Let me write R, C, R dash, then R double dash, O, MgX. Is it right? Now, hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, reaction of water in the presence of acid. See, HOH. So what you are going to get? We used to get R, C, R dash, R double dash, OH plus Mg, OHX. So this is a tertiary alcohol. Is it right? See, reaction of ketone with Grignard reagent gives additional product which are acid hydrolysis gives tertiary alcohols. So you may take the example. Here, CS3, double bond. Both the groups are same. What it is? It is propanone, propanone plus CS3, Mg, Br, methyl magnesium bromide. Is it right? See, additional product. So what you are going to get? CS3, O, Mg, Br. Then acid hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H plus. So addition of water, OH. So what you are going to get? CS3, then CS3, then CS3, OH plus Mg, OH, Br. What it is? It is a tertiary alcohol. That is tertiary butyl alcohol or 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Is it right? This is regarding the methods of preparation of alcohols. So, in the tomorrow class, we will discuss methods of preparation of phenols. Is it right? Thank you.